Hey guys, we're going to be showing you
Oh, check out my brother's channel, Max.
parkour. I mean, not
But
parkour.
for him, it's Donovan Santos, which is his fake name, and his real name is Max.
I'm going to be showing you.
Sorry.
This is a pretty big. And you can not this one.
But this
But
way
I'm
is
gonna do something real quick.
movie theater.
I joined my sister.
My brother just joined me. His nickname is Don Don. And we're in the movie thing. He's going to be showcasing the same thing, but different parts. Then up here is another living room.
This is the outsiding,
with
guys.
a bed.
Look at this. Nice outsiding, guys. Look at this indoor.
And downstairs.
Okay, come.
Oh, here comes my brother. Hi, Steve.
That's my sister. She is a hottie, right?
Well,
It's a hottie. It's a skin hottie. The skin is called hottie. But I like it. It looks hot.
It's Enderman skin. So anyway, guys,
cool.
we're following downstairs. We're downstairs. We're gonna be showcasing this room. This is the dinner room. So yeah.
Look at this. Just look at
Here we have another fireplace that needs to be lit, I guess.
Look at my creation.
I'm placing down torches for some reason. Well, we're gonna go farther downstairs. But if you will listen, there's another bedroom with a
It's gonna be right here, guys. Unless you guys want to
there's a
change.
little room. I don't know exactly
What is happening?
It's probably a closet, a big closet. Anyway,
Well,
I just towards this room. Oh, by the way, I'll leave a link to this map down below. This way. Oh, wait.
This guys,
Down here in this room.
you go on
My brother
block
just left the
launcher.
game. But down here is that room.
If you want, well, this is called NPCE Master, and if you want like texture packs, you could be them. PCB texture packs. And maps go on maps. And it's really cool map.
But anyway, here's another
Let's do
living space where
Extreme
the
Parkour, guys.
Here
Download.
is another living room.
Start game.
In some blocks of sitting area, I am climbing on the test. But yeah, I'll give you like
Honestly,
it's like over here something.
Extreme
But
Parkour again.
I'm gonna end the video out here. Wait, not quite yet. Before I end the video.
Well, let's read this first. Welcome to Extreme Parkour. It only has 10 levels, so good luck. Created by Shadow Knight 08. Thanks to Neo04XX for helping me build the map. Set it peaceful. Don't cheat, don't get dirt or blocks. Have fun.
Here, I'll let you give the overview.
Thanks to Green Arrow and
So, anyway, I'm going to end the video here. This is not all. We still have a lot more to do, a lot more videos coming up. So, bye.
Trying to not die.
Bye.
Oh, cool. Oh, why am I dying? Probably have put on. What happened? Oh, crap. This is super hard, guys. Just look at this. Gotta beat the first. I did this with my sister, and she couldn't even pass this, and now I can't pass this. Can't you see how I suck now?
Oh crap, guys. It's well, it doesn't show your fingers.
She just said something. I don't know why.
My brother is right across from me on the couch. Yeah, I am not on the desk. But yeah.
Oh, we're almost there. Okay. Let's try to not die anymore, guys. Try to not die. Last time I won. Pretty sick. Yeah. Yep, we made it, guys. Go up, and you might need this, okay? Let's pick one, guys. He said to not shoot. Okay, let's go up. Yeah, it goes to the last double, guys. See? Checkpoint. Let's make it nighttime. If we can, guys. On. Oh, let's see. And bye-bye. I don't know if this is cheating, but I guess I have to fly to go back there. This is not cheating, guys. Not cheating.
Let's give him time to get back to his spot.
Okay, guys. We're back. This is harder than we thought. Oh, I'm almost dead. We got this. That's the wrong side, I believe. Okay, guys. Let's try to make it on here. Let's try to go on. Oh crap, I died. Bye. Oh, what happened? Well, this is the end of this video. Bye!